In this video, we're going to be talking about C++ operators. We're going to be looking at two classes of operators in this video, the first of which is arithmetic, and the second of which is relational. Let's look at arithmetic operators first. Arithmetic operators consist of all the basic mathematical operations such as add, subtract, divide, multiply, and last but not least, remainder of. Addition and subtraction both use the same symbols. However, when it comes to multiplication and division, it is rather different in C++. The symbol for multiplication in C++ is the asterisk symbol, and as for division, it is the left slash symbol. This last symbol, the percent symbol, stands for remainder of. Allow me to give you an example. 10% of 5 is equals to 0. This isn't a valid line of code, I'm just typing this to give you a demonstration of what I mean. But basically, this means that 10 divided by 5 will have no remainder. On the other hand, if you take something like 12 divided by 5, you would get a value of 2. 12 divided by 5 is 2 remainder 2. So the remainder would be the final product of your percent equation. We are also going to be looking at relational operators. There are only 3 types of relational operators and one that represents not equal to. So the 3 types are more than or equal to, less than or equal to, and is the same as. If you want to put not equal to, that would be exclamation mark followed by the equal symbol. You can also use these symbols individually, for example, more than or less than. Across the next few videos, we're going to be looking at how to use arithmetic and relational operators in various types of programs. That's going to be it for this video. I'll see you in the next one.